LastPass is being sued following major cybersecurity attack? Let's talk about it. Welcome to Clean Tech, home of daily technology news and reviews, and today we're going to be talking about LastPass. Today's video is brought to you by CleanPhone. More on them at the end of the video. So LastPass is being sued following a major cybersecurity attack. One LastPass customer claims they lost Bitcoin worth up to $53,000. Let's jump right in. So LastPass has been threatened with legal action following a months-long data breach that began in August 2022 and led to the leak of potentially millions of users' private information. As you can imagine, that's bad. A statement by the password manager CEO Karim Toubba at that time claimed a lack of evidence that any customer data was at risk, though a leading cybersecurity and forensics firm was deployed. A December 2022 notice announced that, quote, an unknown threat actor accessed a cloud-based storage environment leveraging information obtained from the incident. Now, let's go ahead and talk a little bit in terms of the details about what the actual cyber attack was. According to the class action complaint filed in Massachusetts court, names, usernames, billing addresses, email addresses, telephone numbers, and even IP addresses used to access the service were all made available to wrongdoers. The final straw in the hack could have been the leak of customers' unencrypted vault data, which includes all manner of information ranging from website usernames and passwords to other secure notes and form data. So for those of you who actually use password managers, and you know, there's like a big user base out there for this kind of stuff, you know, me being one, I like to put as much of my sensitive and secure information or private information as much as possible, because it's convenient. You tap or you make 2 clicks and then boom, like the information that you need, it securely gets copied onto wherever it is that you're trying to put it. And that information can be bank details and usernames and phone numbers and socials and birth dates and just all kinds of things that you want to keep very, very personal at all times. And that's just bad. That's basically a way of relating to that meme. LastPass, you had one job, and the fact that you didn't succeed at it, makes things a lot questionable, and the lawsuits are understandable at this point. According to the lawsuit, quote, LastPass understood and appreciated the value of this information, yet chose to ignore it by failing to invest in adequate data security measures. The case's plaintiff claims to have invested $53,000 in Bitcoin since July 2022, which was later, quote, stolen several months later, leading to police and FBI reports. More recently, Toubba took to the company's blog to announce that, quote, some source code and technical information were stolen from LastPass's development environment, leading to an attack on an employee's account that saw credentials and keys being stolen. The company has since said that it is, quote, decommissioning that environment in its entirety and rebuilding a new environment from scratch. While the case plaintiff has demanded a jury trial with regards to the leak and their subsequent losses, it remains to be seen what, if any, action shall be taken against LastPass. And I'm sure there's insurances involved and whatnot, but then again, that's it's not just a breach of data, it's not just a breach of security, it's a breach of trust. And even if technically speaking, LastPass doesn't face any charges, or there's no lawsuit or anything, if they basically get to walk away clean, I don't know, even in that best case scenario, to put it that way, they're walking off with happy and just satisfied customers. I feel like after this, a lot of people are just gonna steer clear of LastPass. And I mean, ever since I first found out about the incident, I've done exactly that. I've just changed my password manager. I'm not gonna name it on here, but yeah, definitely something to consider, LastPass. But yeah, those are just some of my thoughts on it. Let me know yours down in the comment section below. Clean Phone is the perfect phone for your kids because it allows you to manage everything on the phone remotely. It has tons of amazing features such as easily allowing you to pick and choose which apps and games your child can use, provides you access to active phone monitoring including SMS and phone call usage, allows you to control how long and how often your kids can use apps or the internet. You can even check their call and SMS logs including inbound and outbound calls and messages, and is the perfect way to manage their screen time. Check them out in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.